watching my YouTube channel Crazy Plant Lady. It's a channel all about plants, mainly house plants. If you are new here, kindly take a moment to subscribe my channel. I post new videos on every Sunday. In my today's video, I will show you 5 plants. Actually, I will recommend 5 plants for the beginners. Plants which are easy to care and they can grow very easily and can also tolerate some kind of mistakes or they are very forgiving. If you are a beginner, this video is the right video for you. I will discuss about the plants which you should buy and about their care, soil preparation, watering and everything. So without further ado, let's get started. Everything I am telling you is based on my own experience. So it can be differ from any other's opinion, but what I, as a plant parent, what I experienced throughout the year with some of the plants, I will share those with you guys. So my first recommendation is Syngonium. Syngonium or arrowhead plants are very beautiful, easy to grow house plants. There are many varieties of Syngonium. Like I have this pink one and one white Syngonium and another is this green one. These plants are extremely low light tolerant. They will grow faster and maintain their vibrant coloring and marking if grown in medium to bright indirect light. But direct sunlight can scorch their leaves. And about the watering, allow those plants to dry out partially between watering. Best way is to poke your finger into the soil. If soil sticks on your finger, don't water it. And if it doesn't stick on your finger, then water it. And temperature and humidity is average household temperature and humidity ranging. If you feel comfortable in your house, these plants too feel comfortable in that kind of situation. Most house plants benefits from humidity over 60% if you can provide them. This is my first recommended plants for the beginners is Syngonium. Second plant in my list is Zizi. I have talked about Zizi in my last video. It is one of the most hardy plants around and perfect for new plant parent. It is originated from East Africa. These plants can tolerate a range of growing conditions and can survive even after weeks of neglect. Zizi plant, not only Zizi, it is better to say most house plants like bright indirect light but can still survive in low light conditions. One thing need to remember is Zizi plants do not like direct sunlight. Now for watering, allow the soil to dry between watering. Your Zizi plant can survive months without water, though regular watering helps the plant to grow faster. One more thing I want to share about this Zizi plant. This plant is toxic, especially for the cats, dogs and for the children. This plant contains oxalate crystals. So it can be toxic for pets and for children. So you can keep Zizi at your home until you can keep the pets and children away from this plant. So my second recommendation for the beginners is Zizi. And the third plant I would love to recommend the beginners is, of course, pothos. Pothos is considered by me to be a great way to get started with your houseplants journey. These plants enjoy a wide range of environments. Basic pothos can easily grow in low light, but variegated pothos like Manjula pothos or Marble Queen pothos, which has white, like this Manjula pothos or Enjoy pothos, which has white variegation on the leaves, they need little bit more light to grow. So my third recommendation for the beginners is pothos. Fourth plant I would like to recommend for the beginners is Sansevieria or snake plant or mother-in-law's dam. They too have several varieties. I have only two varieties of them. One is Sansevieria trifasciata and another one is Sansevieria moonshine. These plants are also hard to kill. Only overwatering can kill this plant. Same low light tolerant plant can grow little slow in low light but will not die. It's a great air purifier. Because of these qualities, this plant has become very popular nowadays. For the soil, they want well draining soil mix, and average temperature and humidity are good for these plants. And their propagation is also very easy. You can propagate them from seeds or cuttings or division in the water. So my fourth recommendation is Sansevieria. And last or fifth recommendation is Songs of India. Many people find this plant boring. It is a species from the Dracaena genus. But I like this plant because it is fairly easy to care and can withstand a certain amount of neglect. They are fast grower and become bushier very easily and have wide range of varieties and can easily propagate in water within 2 weeks. If you want to make the plant bushier, just cut the top part of a plant and they will promote new growth from the side. So this is my fifth recommendation for the beginners, that is Songs of India. These are my recommendation for the beginners. These 5 plants I would like to recommend the beginners. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much.